Hello, co-creator, and welcome to your angel number message. I am Naima Reina, your friendly neighborhood oracle, and as always, let's get started. So I heard for this collective, start something new or revisit something and revamp it. Ashe. And your numbers for today are 291 and 295. Let's get into your messages. Angels and the Holy Spirit are with you, co-creator. Remember that only love is real. Come on now. Remember that only love is real. Love, Ashe, is the frequency of the universe, co-creator. Only that is truly real. Ashe. 295. There are divine downloads within you that you need to open in order to move forward on your path. Spirit says, remember that only love is real. And I heard, and when you move towards that, your path opens. When you acknowledge that, your path opens. When you give that, you are open. Namaste and Ashe, Master, Co-Creator. If this is the something new, whoo, you on your way somewhere. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe.